Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I've got a number line system on my board today, and what I've got is I've got a range of X values, and the first one is, well, there's my number line, guys. There's 0, there's -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. +1, +2, +3, +4, and so on, all the way through to infinity, positive infinity, and all the way through to negative infinity, if you want to think of it like that. So I've got the value X, or I've got a range actually of X values. X is less than or equal to 3, and X is greater than or equal to -3. So X takes on a range of values between 3 and -3. So let's have a look at it. So when we're looking at X is greater than or equal to 3, well, X is less than or equal to 3. So there's 3. There's the value of 3. But it's saying here that X is less than or equal to. So when it's less than or equal to, we put a dot there. Okay, so X takes on the values of less than or equal to -3. So there's less than in that direction of 3 in that direction. If we have a look at the values of X greater than -3, well, there's -3 there. X greater than or equal to -3. Well, there's -3, so it takes on that value through there. But the values that are greater than -3 are going to be in this direction, to the right. So the way in which we represent this on a graph or on a number line is exactly like that. Okay, guys, X takes on these values from -3 all the way to +3. That's the first one. The second one I've got is, I've chosen X takes on values of greater than -3, and X takes on values of less than and equal to -1. So if we have a look at -3, we already said we know -3 is there. So X is greater than. So the values that are greater than -3 are in this direction. So we nominate that, or we denote it as a circle, because it doesn't actually hit the line of equal to 3. It's just greater than. So it's going to be greater than 3 in this direction. But it's also saying X is less than or equal to -1. Well, there's -1 there, guys. That's -1. So if I draw a line up there, so X is less than or equal to -1, and I draw a dot, a full dot, and they are the values of X greater than -3 and X less than or equal to -1. So just to confirm, greater than -3, there's -3. Any value greater is in this direction. Less than or equal to -1, there's -1. Anything less than or equal to -1 is in that direction. So it takes on those values there. Okay, guys, so that's another way of plotting these values on a number line chart that we saw in the linear equations or linear inequality equations. Okay, guys, so thanks for your views, thanks for your comments, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks, guys, bye.